Sharnette Fowler is a 45-year-old who is living proof you are never too old to learn. The mother of four dropped out of school after she ran away from her childhood home in Montego Bay, St. James, when she was just 15 years old. She recalled leaving Herbert Morrison Technical High School in grade 10 because she yielded to peer pressure.
I was living in Salt Spring with my dad and my stepmom, and peer pressure took me. I left school, I did not graduate, and I went into one of those volatile area, and there I started a rough journey out. That's where the rough part of my life started.
Months later, Fowler became pregnant with the first of her 4 children.
I became more exposed to what is happening on the streets, and that's where I picked up the bad habits.
She then relocated from St. James to Westmoreland in 1995 and was enrolled at the Jamaica Foundation for Lifelong Learning, JFLL, where she sat 4 C-Sec subjects. Fowler recalled sometimes crying because it was difficult for her to complete school-based assessments.
The biggest challenge I had with a SBA, it was a math SBA. After I typed about 2,000 words, and you know that me typing, don't know how to type, is spare one word. Everything delete off the computer. The computer shut down. It's like the computer mash up. It wasn't my computer. I don't know what to do. I started to cry.
But her SBAs were not the only barrier she had to overcome.
I am held up to walk with a metal plate and 4 screws. So with that now, I am unable to do certain jobs. I am unable to even sit too long or stand too long. The best position for me is to lie down or rest my back on somewhere that is soft. So that took a turn on my life.
Fowler is encouraging children to stay at home, adding that they should seek help if they are not satisfied with their home experience.
If you don't have to leave your home, and if you have troubles or there's a problem there that you think you cannot manage, seek help. There's help every way out. Seek help, don't give up.
With her newly acquired competencies, Fowler is now better able to assist her 2 young daughters with their schoolwork. She said she intends to boost her academic credentials, sitting more C-Sec subjects and pursuing higher education to become a social worker or a psychologist. With a ray of hope, I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton.